Level 1. The first shift. You're 26 years old. It's 6:14 a.m. It's cold outside. White lights illuminate the room you're in. You have a $250,000 debt weighing on your mind. In your bank account, there's only $340. It's November. The room you're in reeks of chlorine and antibiotics. You'll get used to this smell, but you're not aware of it yet. Or rather, you don't know it yet. You've been in the ER for 3 weeks. The ER has taken a lot out of you. 90 hours a week. That's $12 an hour, below minimum wage. You did the math one night while sitting on the dirty plastic chair at the end of the hallway. After doing the math, you put your phone back in your pocket and didn't think about it anymore. A young man is coming in. He's only 22. His name is Marcus. Car accident. He's being wheeled in on a stretcher, his neck immobilized, 2 IV lines in place, blood pressure low. Dr. Martinez is standing at your feet. He's looking at you. "I'm listening," he says. "Your assessment is spot on. You're using the right words in the right order. Your voice doesn't waver." They take Marcus to the operating room. At 9:47 a.m., a nurse comes to you. "Marcus Webb," she says. "We lost him." 9:47. "Okay," you say. Marcus' family is waiting in the waiting room for news. Marcus' mother is there. His father is there. His little brother is there. You sit there. You say the phrases they taught you in school. "We're so sorry. We did everything we could. He didn't suffer." You don't know if that last sentence is true. His mother freezes at first. Then she collapses to the floor. His father stares into space. His mother freezes at first. Then she collapses to the floor. His father stares into space. His little brother doesn't understand. You watch. You don't cry. You thought you'd cry. You were waiting for it. It doesn't come. You leave the room. You run cold water in the bathroom sink for 40 seconds. You wet your hands. You dry them. You turn around. You look at the next file. You go home that night. You lie down. You fall asleep. In the morning, you return to the hospital. You note that you're starting to feel numb. You set this observation aside. What else can you do? Level 2. The hallucination. You're 27 years old. It's been 14 months since Marcus's car accident. You're in the 26th hour of a 28-hour shift. Your eyes are burning. This isn't a metaphor. It's physiology. 26 hours of sleep deprivation is equivalent to the cognitive impairment caused by a 0.10 blood alcohol level. You read that in medical school. Now you're actually experiencing it. There's something at the end of the hallway. Or rather, there isn't, but it looks like there is. A shadow between the wall and the light. It lingers. Then it vanishes. You rub your eyes. You keep going. With 1 hour left in your shift, a patient arrives. A chest pain case, 67 years old. Mr. Henderson. You order an EKG. You order a troponin test. You wait for the results. They come back normal. You're preparing to send him home. Dr. Chen snatches the file from your hand. Silence. 3 seconds. D-dimer, she says. You look. You didn't order it. Be careful, Chen says. Her voice is flat, clinical. We could have lost him. That sentence drives into your brain like a nail. Chen walks away. Mr. Henderson's file is still on the desk. You order a D-dimer. The result comes back. Positive. Pulmonary embolism. Dr. Chen saved you. But what if she hadn't? The phone rings. It's your mother. She tells you your grandmother has been taken to the hospital. Her voice is trembling. I can't come, you say. I understand, your mother says. Your grandmother passed away 2 days later. You can't go to the funeral. You're on call. You don't tell anyone. You look at Mr. Henderson's file one more time. Then one more time. Level 3. The obsession. You're 28 years old. If you like this kind of dark overthinker story, like the video and subscribe to the channel. You're developing a new system. Every test is checked twice. Every diagnosis is reviewed 3 times. You go through a mental checklist for every patient before they're discharged. It slows you down, but it doesn't matter to you. A case of abdominal pain comes in late at night. 41 years old. Claire. Vague but widespread pain. The patient has no fever, Reflexes are normal. The test results are near normal. White blood cell count is slightly elevated, but only slightly. It looks like gastritis. You go through your checklist. You check everything. Twice. You send Claire home. But 6 hours later, Claire comes back. Her blood pressure is 88/60. Her temperature is 39.4. Her abdomen is as hard as a board. The CT scan reveals perforated appendicitis, widespread peritonitis, early-stage septic shock. They take her to the operating room. The surgeon looks at you. He says nothing. Claire survives. You find out the next morning from a 2-sentence note. You open the old file. You retrace every step. You pause at every decision point. You try to figure out what you missed. You see the white blood cell count, slightly elevated. You'd noted it. You'd explained it. By standard care, you didn't make a mistake. Yet you were almost the reason she lost her life. No matter what you do, you now understand that saving a life and failing to save it can happen at the same time. And this is crushing you. Level 4, the imposter. It's your 3rd year. You've treated over 1,500 patients. With each one, the same question lingers. What did I miss? The patients look different now. Not a person, not symptoms. You go to therapy because you can't sleep. Your hands have started shaking, and the shadows at the end of the hallway won't go away. It feels like the patient's family is waiting at the door to confront you. The therapist's name is Dr. Nguyen. He talks to you for 50 minutes. Then he turns back to his desk and writes something down. Major depressive disorder, he says, and burnout syndrome. When you hear this, you feel nothing. Then a slight sense of relief. Then fear. Because now it's officially on record that this is real. It's not just a figment of your imagination, but you can't quite wrap your head around it. No one knows how scared you are. From the outside, you seem competent. You're calm. You're trustworthy. You're sitting at your desk at 9 a.m. with a blank expression on your face. From the inside, it looks like this. Someone waiting to be caught. Someone who survives each day by sheer luck. Not a real doctor, but someone pretending to be one. Imposter. No one says it, but you feel it. Dr. Nguyen suggests weekly meetings. You go 3 times. Then the shifts start, and you run out of time. Level 5, the ghost. There's a longer title next to your name now. You're a department director. You make $350,000 a year. You've paid off your student loans. You have a relatively comfortable life now. The numbers are big, but they don't mean anything. You sleep 4 hours a day. On good nights, on bad nights, just 2. You got married to an architect named Rashid. He was a charismatic, handsome man and understanding. He waited patiently. Then he stopped. On the last day, as he was picking up his suitcase, he turned to you. Living under the same roof as you makes me feel lonelier than being alone, he said. You didn't answer, or rather, you couldn't. You knew Rashid wasn't wrong. 5:30 a.m., the bathroom mirror. Dark circles under your eyes. Pale skin. Eyes open. Functional. Empty. Last night, you managed a code. A 58-year-old. Massive heart attack. You brought him back in 7 minutes. You told his family. The woman held your hand. You saved him, she said. She was crying. We have a good team, you said. You returned to your office. You opened the next file. You felt nothing. You noted that detachment as well. You set the note aside. A new intern is starting on Monday morning. Dr. Patel, 26 years old. Her scrubs are still crisp. You can see the creases from the plastic packaging. She's looking at the chart. Her face is open. She's a little scared, but that fear looks like excitement. She'll be fine. You can see that. You look at her. Then you turn back to your file. You don't warn her. She needs to learn by doing. Because the cycle continues. You don't have anything to say anyway. The system will tell her what needs to be said. That's all for today. The story you've heard is fiction. But this burnout in the medical world is real. And obsession is real. And right now somewhere, a young medical student is putting on that white coat for the first time and preparing to save lives. They have no idea what it will cost them. If this story made you think, leave a comment. Subscribe for more.